In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your personal PayPal account to Jotform. Whether you're setting up a simple donation form or a more complex payment structure, integrating PayPal can streamline the payment process for both you and your users. So let's dive right in and make this connection seamless. First, you'll want to navigate to Jotform's website by going to jotform.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Jotform is a powerful tool that allows you to create custom forms for a variety of purposes, and linking it with PayPal will enable you to collect payments directly through these forms. After logging in, identify the form you wish to integrate with PayPal. Once you've found it, click on the form to select it and then hit the Edit Form button. This will open up the Form Builder interface where you can make all the necessary adjustments to your form structure and functionality. Now look to the left side of the screen and find the Add Element button. Clicking this will open the Form Elements panel where you can add different types of fields to your form. The next step is to scroll down to the Payments section. This section is specifically designed for integrating various payment processors with your form. Within the Payments section, you'll see various options for payment processors. Locate and click on PayPal. This is where you begin the integration process. Clicking PayPal will prompt Jotform to open a configuration window for PayPal settings. Once you're in the PayPal configuration window, you'll be asked to enter a connection name. This is basically a label for you to identify this particular PayPal connection within Jotform. It can be something simple like my PayPal account or anything that makes sense to you. With your connection name entered, the next step is to click on Connect with PayPal. This will redirect you to the PayPal login page where you'll need to enter your PayPal credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes Jotform to process payments through your PayPal account. Be sure to use the correct login information for your personal PayPal account. After successfully logging into PayPal, you might be asked to grant permissions for Jotform to access your account. This is a standard procedure and ensures that Jotform can handle transactions on your behalf. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be redirected back to Jotform and your PayPal account should now be linked. And that's it. You've successfully linked your personal PayPal account to Jotform. This integration will allow you to start receiving payments through your forms, making the entire process smooth and efficient for both you and your users. Remember to test your form to ensure everything is working correctly before sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Jotform's help resources or contact their support team. Happy form building!